Hello students, we will solve questions of exercise 3.2. This exercise is related to squares and square roots. Okay, exercise 3.2. We start with question number 5 because we have solved till question number 4 in the last video. Fifth question is about the divisibility by 4. So I explained you the meaning of divisibility, and we know that how to check the divisibility test of 2 and 3 and 6 also I explained you. This question is related to the divisibility test of 4. So 9, 8. It is 918, and listen carefully. If we have to find that given number is divisible by 4 or not, then check the last two digits. Okay, अगर किसी भी नंबर की लास्ट टू डिजिट्स 4 से डिविजिबल होगी तो वो नंबर भी 4 से डिविजिबल होगा. You can see that 18, that is 18. 18 is not divisible. Okay, so give the reason. Hence 918 is divisible. This is answer. Now second part, the number is 57. You can see the last two digits is divisible for, hence 5731 is so divisible. These are the two parts. Note it down. Now next part, that is third part. Third part is 163976. Now last two digits are 76. अगर आपको टेबल सक्सेस याद है तो आप नंबर को देख के जज कर सकते हैं कि ये नंबर 4 से डिविजिबल है क्या. ओके, सो यू नो दैट 19 4 जा 76. ओके, so give the reason. Since 76 is divisible by 4, hence 163976, that is the given number. It is also divisible by 4. So it's very easy to check if a number is divisible by 4 or not. Last के two digits check करने हैं. So let me solve other part. It is fourth part. The number is 397084. So the last two digits are 84, and you know that 84 is divisible by 4. Okay, again give the same reason. Since 84 is divisible by 4, hence the number. Okay, so what is the number? It is 39084 is also divisible by 4. So this question is completed. Note it down. Okay students, sixth question. We have to check the divisibility test of 8. Again, the method is very easy. I take first part. The number is 5, 6, 9, 2 and 88. Okay, listen carefully. अगर किसी भी नंबर के लास्ट 3 डिजिट्स 8 से डिविजिबल हैं तो वो नंबर भी 8 से डिविजिबल होगा. So the last 3 digits are 288. Now you can check it in rough copy. Then you can write the answer in fair. तो ये 3 डिजिट जो है वो है 288. तो इसको आप रफ नोटबुक में चेक कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ I solve for you for your convenience. सो हम 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे 288 को. ओके, नाउ इट इज 8 3 जा 24. It is 4, that is difference. We write 8, 8 6 ja 48. Okay, so you can see that the number is divisible by 8. So we can say that, okay, give the reason. Since 88 is divisible by 8, hence 5 6 9 2 8 is also divisible. So this number is divisible by 8. Now you don't need to show this division in your fair copy, do it in rough notebook. Then we take second part. Okay, all the parts of any question which I omit in the video, you will solve those parts. So second number is 67,152. Again check for the third last three digits. So it is 152. Now this is our rough work. So हम 8 से 152 को डिवाइड करेंगे. ओके, you can see that it is 8 1 ja 8. Take the find the subtraction. Okay, the subtraction is 7. So 15 minus 8 7. Take 2 8 9 72. So 152 जो है वो 8 से completely divisible है. It means the number is also divisible. Give the same reason. Since 152 is divisible by 8, 7152 so divisible. Okay, note it down. Now I solve fifth part. The number is 965214. So three digits are 214. Check the divisibility with 8. तो हम 8 से डिवाइड करेंगे 214 को. 8 2 जा 16, difference is 5. Take 4. So in the table of 8, 8 6 ja 48, and the difference is it is 6. Okay, so you can see the number is not divisible by 8. So give the proper reason. You have to just write, since 214 is not divisible by 8, hence 96214 is not divisible. Note it down. Next question is seventh question. It is the divisibility test of 5 and 10, and with the help of 5 and 10 we can easily check. So what is the method? First part is 3 3 4 5. Now listen, if the unit digit is 5 or 0, it is always divisible by 5, and if the unit digit is 0 only, then it is 100% divisible by 10. तो आपको क्या करना है, यूनिट डिजिट चेक करनी है. इन दिस नंबर द यूनिट डिजिट इज 5. So just give the reason. 5. Then second part is 2968. You can see that it is neither 5 nor 0. तो ये नंबर 5 और 10 दोनों से डिवाइड नहीं होगा. So we write not divisible by 5 and 10. Okay. third part, the number is 5670. You can see that unit digit is 0, so it is divisible by 5. It is 0 also, so it is also divisible by 10. It means ये number 5 और 10 दोनों से divisible होगा. Take another part. Okay, sixth part. The number is 2,06,174. This you can see that the unit digit is neither 5 nor 0, so it is not divisible by 5 and 10. Not divisible by 5 and 10. Okay, this question is finished. Note it down. And the next question is very important. This is the most important question of this exercise. This is question number 8, and it is about testing the divisibility of a number by 11. So I am going to tell you the method. Take the first part. Okay, first part is 61809. Now listen carefully. किसी भी नंबर के लिए अगर हमें 11 का डिविजिबिलिटी टेस्ट परफॉर्म करना है तो हम ऑड पोजीशंस और इवन पोजीशंस के जो नंबर हैं उनका सम करेंगे. सी द सम ऑफ इट्स एट you can write odd equals, which is the place, and put the dot over a digit which are at odd place. Listen, 9 जो है वो फर्स्ट पोजीशन पे, 8 थर्ड पोजीशन पे और 6 फिफ्थ पोजीशन पे. तो हम इनका सम फाइंड करेंगे 9 + 8 + 6 एंड व्हाट इज द आंसर? इट इज 23. ओके, एंड sum of digits at even place. Even place कौन से होंगे? Second and fourth, obviously. So the sum is 0, 1, that is 1, and find the difference. So you can write the difference is 23 minus 1 is 22. You can see that 22. Finally, the difference is 22 and it is divisible by 11. So the given number is divisible by 11. So write in the bracket. Okay, you can write it is multiple of 11. So we write the answer 61809 is divisible by 11. This part is finished. Note it down. Now second part. The number is 38016. 38016. Again, sum of digits at odd place. So which are the digits at odd place? 6, 0 and 3, because इनकी जो पोजीशन है वो है 1, 3 and 5. So the sum is 0 plus 3, that is 9, and write sum of digits at even place. So remaining digits are at even place, 1 and 8. So write 1 plus 8, that is 9, and difference, that is 9 minus 9, that is 0. And you know that 0 जो है वो 11 से divisible होता है, because 0 is divisible by all the natural numbers. So you write multiple of 11. The answer is 38016 is divisible by, so this part is finished, note it down. Okay, now I'm going to solve sixth part of this question. So sixth part is sixth part is 60847. Use the same method, sum of digits at odd place. So it is 7, 8 and 6. 7 plus 8 plus 6, it is 21, and sum of digits at even place, that is 4 plus 0, 4, and finally we will have to find difference. It is 21 minus 4. So what is 21 minus 4? It is 7. Okay, you know that 17 is not a multiple of 11, not multiple of 11. Give the reason. So 17 11 का मल्टीपल नहीं है, बिकॉज ये 11 की टेबल में नहीं मिलता. So we can conclude as 60847 is not divisible by 11. So we have solved this question, question number 8. Now question number 9. Note it down. Now question number 9. This is also an important question. So to solve this, take first part. It is 5, 6 and it is star, means we have to find the value of this. So if we put a proper value instead of a star, this number will be divisible by 9. Now what is the rule that a number is divisible by 9? Find the sum of the digits. Here the sum of digits is 5 plus 6 plus 5, that is 16. Okay, अब आपको यहाँ 9 का डिविजिबिलिटी रूल यूज करना है. वो ये है कि सारे जो भी नंबर्स, जो भी डिजिट्स हैं नंबर में, उनका सम करना है. सो 5 प्लस 6 11, 11 प्लस 5 16. अब ये नंबर 16 है, बट आफ्टर 16 विच इज द नंबर, नेक्स्ट नंबर दैट कम्स इन द टेबल ऑफ 9. तो 16 के बाद 18 आता है, वही 9 से डिविजिबल है. तो हम ऑब्वियसली इसकी जगह अगर 2 पुट कर दें तो इसका टोटल 18 होगा. सो द आंसर विल, यू हैव टू, नो नीड टू राइट द राइट ओनली, टू डू 3 1 star 4 2. Okay, find the sum of the digits. 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 2 10. Now see, after 10 which is the next number divisible by 9? Okay, listen again. हम ये सारी डिजिट्स का सम करेंगे. सो इट इज 3 प्लस 1 प्लस 4 प्लस 2, तो इनका टोटल 10 होगा. अब 10 के बाद में नेक्स्ट नंबर कौन सा होता है जो 9 की टेबल में आता है, दैट इज 18. तो 10 और 18 का डिफरेंस होगा 8. सो द आंसर इज 8. ओके, टेक अनदर पार्ट, फिफ्थ पार्ट. इट इज 5 8 7 star 6. Find the sum. 5 plus 8 13, 13 plus 7 20 and plus 6 26. तो ये नंबर है, it is 26. Okay, it is not 6. By mistake I have written 6. It is actually 1. The number is 1. So here I write 1. Now find the sum. 5 plus 8 13 plus 7 20 and plus 1 21. तो इन सभी का जो टोटल आता है वो 21 है. नाउ 21 के बाद ऐसा कौन सा नंबर है जो 9 की टेबल में मिलता है? सो इट इज 27. 21 के बाद में यही नंबर आता है. एंड राइट द डिफरेंस ऑफ बोथ दिस So 27 minus 21 is 6. Write the answer, that is 6. Okay students, so we have solved mostly all the questions. Only question number 10 and 11 are remaining. So wait for the next video. I will solve both the remaining questions and hopefully we will start the next exercise also. So practice for these questions. आपको बहुत सारे पार्ट भी प्रैक्टिस करने हैं जो मैंने सोल्व किए हैं, एंड practice all those parts which I missed in this video. Best of luck.